Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fable on the ukulele. We will begin by identifying the 4 core chords that form the song's foundation. Next, we'll explore a simple yet effective strumming pattern that brings the melody to life. Finally, I will guide you through combining these elements, ensuring you can play this beautiful tune with confidence and ease. Get ready to make some music. To play Fable, you will primarily need 4 essential chords: C, G, A minor, and F. The C chord is played on the 3rd fret of the A string. For G, place your fingers on the 2nd fret of C, 2nd fret of E, and 3rd fret of A. A minor uses the 2nd fret of G. Finally, F requires the 1st fret of E and 2nd fret of G. Master these 4 shapes first. The strumming pattern for Fable is quite straightforward, making it accessible for many players. We will use a simple down, down, up, up, down pattern. This rhythm provides a gentle yet driving feel to the song. Practice this pattern slowly, ensuring each strum is clear and even. Focus on keeping your wrist relaxed and your hand moving smoothly. A consistent rhythm is key to a beautiful performance. Now it is time to put everything together. Begin by practicing the chord changes with the strumming pattern at a very slow pace. Focus on smooth transitions between the C, G, A minor, and F chords. Once comfortable, gradually increase your speed. Remember, consistency is more important than speed initially. Listen to the original Fable song to capture its unique timing and emotional depth. Enjoy playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.